participating in the tender.
Now, the Kenya Tea Development Agency has procured 2 million bags of fertilizer for more than 600,000 tea farmers, with the supplies expected to reach growers next month after shipment delays. The fertilizer was initially expected this month ahead of the rains, raising concerns over the timing of the farm inputs. KTDA National Chairman Enos Njeru says the consignment will be distributed immediately upon arrival. The delayed supplies come as tea farmers prepare for the next production cycle, with the timing of fertilizer application critical to crop productivity and ultimately farmers' earnings.
We hoped to receive fertilizer by this month. Unfortunately, due to just small turbulences from the source, where there was some technical challenges, fertilizer will be received in the month of September. It is estimated that the shipment carrying the fertilizer will dock at Mombasa on 3rd of September. And we request our farmers to remain patient, as all other logistics are well prepared, so that when that ship docks at Mombasa, immediately distribution of fertilizer will commence and farmers will get it within the same month of September. We are expecting to receive 99,000 metric tons, which will total to around 2 million bags of 50 kgs, which will be distributed to our farmers. Generally, we have improved on the absorption, but price-wise, more so in the east of Rift, because of their premium product, prices have gone down. But we are hopeful that as we push to get more and better markets, prices will still be improved.